Yeah. The grocery bill keeps climbing high. Paychecks barely hold the line. Working harder every morning, still falling further behind. They promised strength and promised greatness. Instead we learn to fear the news. Too many families counting pennies, too many dreams with nothing to lose. We've carried worry long enough. We've watched our neighbors bear the cost. How many years can hope survive before a nation feels its loss? Well, we're praying for a better morning, a brighter flag against the sky, beyond the anger and division, beyond another reason why. When this long chapter finally closes, we'll build again with steady hands. Hope is stronger than one leader. America will rise again. Watch the headlines fill with conflict, another war without an end. Prices soar in every season, while wages scarcely seem to bend. People whisper, will recession take the jobs we work to keep? Parents lying awake at midnight, making promises they can't yet meet. Finally closes, we'll build again with steady hands. Hope is stronger than one leader. America will rise again. Rise again. Oh, I watched immigrants treated like burdens, not neighbors searching for a start. I watched compassion pushed aside until it hardened every heart. I watched contractors say they struggle to collect the money they had earned. I watched women fight through courtrooms, seeking justice long deferred. I watched our standing in the world feel smaller than it used to be, and those who cheered each broken promise never asked what truth should be. History remembers every moment. History measures every choice. The loudest crowd is never greater than an honest people's voice. We're praying for a better morning, when fear no longer writes the day, when truth is worth more than applause, and kindness finds a stronger way. This storm won't last forever. No shadow lives beyond the dawn. We'll heal the wounds, we'll earn back trust. We'll sing long after this is gone. One day this name will fade to memory, while freedom keeps its faithful flame. The future doesn't belong to anger, it belongs to those who build again. So hold the line, hold on to hope, raise your voice, lift someone near. The night is long, but morning always